Today we're gonna be drawing a cake. So make sure I have something to draw with. So first just draw a line, then another line up here, however big you want your cake. And then and then just do a line over there. And over there. Then we're gonna start with the eyes. So we're just gonna do a circle and a little circle inside. Do the same for the other eye, and then do a smile almost between it. And then you're gonna draw 2 rectangles on the top for candles. Then you can color it in however you want. So I'm gonna start by using some golden for the candles. So guys, here's how it's looking so far for me. I just drawed 1 candle. Now I'm gonna draw the other candle, golden. Now I'm done with the Sharpie part. So I'm gonna pick something from here to do the cake. So I think I'm gonna go with a glitter marker because who doesn't love glitter? Well, maybe some of you don't like glitter. I'm just gonna add like a little bit of it. I'm just gonna scribble it! I'm a little crazy because this is my first time doing it. Okay. That's enough of that. Pink. Here's another pink. Bobby! Bobby, come say hi, guys. I'm just talking to my little sister. Here's how mine's looking so far. Now I'm going to start using a different pink. I'm going to use this pink. It's a really good pink. It's, I think it's a purple pinkish, kind of. I just want this cake to be really pinkish and stuff. Sorry, it was kind of noisy because my mom was vacuuming. I'm going to use a color pencil. Kind of colored in. I'm going to be right back. Can we pause the video?